This is the concluding lesson of this course, the beginner's course for non-native Urdu speakers. And I have decided to conclude this course with the popular poetry of Sir Allama Dr. Muhammad Iqbal. Sir Allama Dr. Muhammad Iqbal was a great poet and a philosopher in the history of subcontinent. And if we go to the Wikipedia, we can find information about his life and achievements. He was born on November 9th, 1877 and lived until April 21st, 1938 in the British India. His hometown was Sialkot, which is a city in Punjab province of Pakistan. His poetry is popular among Urdu and Persian speakers around the world, and he is considered an enlightened Muslim scholar and known as Shair-e Mashriq, means poet of the East. In Pakistan, he is officially named as a national poet, and on his birthday, which is November 9th, it is observed as a national holiday. He is also regarded as Mufakkar-e-Pakistan, mean thinker of Pakistan, because in his most famous speech on December 1930 at Allahabad, where he gave the idea of creation of a Muslim state of India that eventually led to the creation of Pakistan. I remember that in my school, his poem Bacche ki Dua, Prayer of a Child, was recited on every morning assembly before the national anthem. And whenever I heard that poem, it gives me the same feeling which I had at that time. I therefore decided to conclude this course with the same prayer, which is the prayer of every child, not only in Pakistan and India but also around the world. While preparing this video, I was searching for the poem on YouTube, and eventually I landed on a page where I found this poem, very beautifully sung. I couldn't find the name of the singer, so I decided to play it on the source. Let's go to the YouTube and listen to this poem. there is a book Kulliyat-e-Iqbal, and this book includes 4 volumes of Dr. Iqbal poetry. One is Bang-e-Dara, Bal-e-Jibril, Zarb-e-Kalim, and Armaghan-e-Hijaz. If we see in the Bang-e-Dara, Bache ki Dua is included. This is here, page number 25. So if I go to page number 25, you can see it here. In the YouTube video, this second couplet was missing. So let me read it all. लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए, हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए, हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत, जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत, जिंदगी हो मेरी परवाने की सूरत या रब, इल्म की शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब, हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हमायत करना, दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना, मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको, नेक जो राह हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको. Ra and Reh, they're same word. Reh is the abbreviation of Ra. So Re, Alif and He, Ra in path, and Re and He, this is the same meaning. नेक जो राह हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको. So that's all in this lesson, and with this I am also completing this course, which includes 44 lessons. The purpose of this course was to help those who are interested to learn Urdu language and those who are interested to communicate with Urdu and Hindi speakers. And it is important that we must have some basic understanding and orientation of Urdu language and the letters and the sounds that we are using. So for that, this course will be quite helpful, and these 44 lessons cover everything which is necessary for basic understanding. Now the new course will include different dialogues on various subjects, and it will be quite interesting, and you will like that. So thank you very much for your appreciation and for your positive feedback.